They say it's dead, an artifact of an era too loud for the modern world. But true style, true character, it doesn't just fade away. It stays dormant, waiting. It's not for everyone, it's for the few who are brave enough to own their time. All 4 zones of it. The Phoenix Project is complete. Let's talk about Run the Beast. Welcome to the Diesel Archive. To understand this watch, you need to know where it came from. This isn't a safe queen. For years, this piece belonged to a plumber. Imagine that. Every day, it was in the trenches, pipes, wrenches, tight spaces. It took the hits, the heat, and the pressure. And it's still here, ticking, with an attitude. Let's talk numbers, because they are staggering. Even on a leather strap, this beast weighs in at 142 grams. That's nearly a third of a pound of solid industrial history. On your wrist, the dimensions, pure diesel DNA. It stands 13.6 millimeters high. It doesn't slide under a shirt cuff. It demands its own space. And the width, a massive 53.6 millimeters. In a world of 38 millimeter vintage reissues, this 53 millimeter giant feels like a middle finger to subtlety. It's heavy, it's loud, and it carries the scars of its past life with pride. But being big isn't enough. It had to be reborn, and that's where the Phoenix Project truly begins. Let's look at the glass. Replacing a standard crystal is easy, but for the Phoenix Project, standard wasn't an option. I wanted something that reacts to the world around it. This is Chameleon, iridescent glass. It's a multi-layer coating that shifts the light spectrum. It took this broken giant and gave it a soul. At one angle, it's a deep, menacing red. It hides the 4 movements like a secret code. You don't even see the time. You just see, the fire. But as you turn your wrist, boom, the fire turns into a golden glow, revealing all 4 time zones. It's not just a watch anymore. It's a living light show. It's the perfect marriage of industrial grit and high-tech aesthetics. This is how you honor a classic. Look at this steel. It's not polished like a luxury toy. It's brushed, raw, and unapologetic. Welcome to 2013, the peak of Diesel's brave era. People ask, why this shape? Why so many screws and layers? To understand the logic, you have to look at industrial architecture. This isn't a watch case. It's a structural frame. In 2013, Diesel wasn't trying to be elegant. They were building armor for the wrist. This central bridge, It looks like a support beam from a skyscraper or a part of a heavy-duty engine block. Every element here serves the narrative of power. The asymmetric case, the massive crowns. It's designed to be operated with gloves on, in a workshop, or in a post-apocalyptic future. It's functional maximalism. You might call it controversial, you might call it too much, but in a world of boring clones, this steel beast from 2013 stands its ground. It's not a watch, it's a statement of survival. Looking at this dial is like staring into the cockpit of a long-haul cargo ship. It's not just a face, it's an interface. The main engine, Time 2, this is your primary anchor to reality. Bold, classic, with a layered depth that creates a 3D effect, even before we added the custom crystal. But then, it gets interesting. To the left, we have 3 more. Independent souls. Time 1 uses a rotating disk system. Very retro future. And Time 3 and 4, they are your outposts. In different time zones. Let's be honest about readability. With this iridescent glass, checking the time becomes a game of hide and seek. Is it practical? Maybe not. Is it addictive? Absolutely. You don't just glance at this watch, you observe it. 4 movements, 4 Japanese hearts, beating inside one chassis. It's chaotic, it's crowded, and it's perfectly diesel. Let's be real. Wearing a 142-gram steel block isn't about comfort. It's about presence. When you strap this on, you don't forget it's there. It's a constant reminder of the weight of time. The first thing people ask, do those 4 crowns dig into your skin? Surprisingly, no. Despite the 53mm width, the lugs are curved, just enough to hug the wrist. It sits like a loyal, albeit very heavy, gargoyle. Is it ergonomic? Not by a long shot. It'll catch in your jacket sleeves. It'll clank against your laptop. And yes, you will hit every door frame for the first 2 days. But that's the deal. You make a Tom with a diesel. It's not a watch. For a quiet life. It's for a plumber's grit, an artist's eye, and a collector's soul. It's a workout for your forearm and a statement for the world. The previous owner, that plumber I told you about, he finally gave up on them. His reason? He was tired of changing the batteries, all 4 of them. To him, it was a burden. To me, it was a pulse. The truth is, you can't just walk into a store and buy these anymore. They are a vanishing species, a relic, from a time when diesel took risks that other brands wouldn't dream of. They are rare, they are hunted, and in this custom Phoenix condition, they are one of one. Every time I wear them, the reaction is the same. People don't just look, they stare. It's an attention magnet that pulls eyes like a black hole. It's too big, it's too bright, and it's absolutely impossible to ignore. So is it worth it? The weight, the 4 batteries, the hunt for parts. If you want to blend in, no. But if you want to feel history on your wrist, the Phoenix project is just getting started. This is the Diesel Archive. Thanks for watching. The Diesel Archive is growing. If you appreciate the weight of real steel and the soul of custom engineering, confirm your access. Hit that like button to reinforce the project. Subscribe to join the restoration crew. Don't let these legends go extinct. Stay bold, stay heavy. See you in the next mission.